Hello from me, Lazarus IDE. Welcome to the next lesson in the course. Introduction to Lazarus IDE. We are currently working on my second book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 2, and we have reached Chapter 4.5. Other components and packages for working with HTML. Let's open the PDF file. We're going to cover this topic very briefly, because so far in my books, I've only looked at the built-in components in the standard installation for us. I decided to do it because in this case the built-in components are not enough for complete rendering and working with web pages. The first such document that we will look at is Dave Baldwin's HTML port for the Lazarus IDE. HTMLPort is a port of Dave Baldwin's components for Lazarus IDE Free Pascal, containing three components: HTML Viewer, Frame Viewer, and Frame Browser. These components provide broader support for HTML and CSS styles, specifications, better compatibility with web browsers. Key features: visualization of HTML documents and frames, support for HTML tags, images, links and CSS styles, compatibility with various web standards, and allows for configuration on different settings. Installing the HTML port and connecting components to it. First step is downloading the HTML package. You can read about these components in the free Pascal and Lazarus wikis at freepascal.org. HTMLPort and the download itself can be done from this address on GitHub. You click on the code here and download the zip file. Once you have downloaded the archive, unzip it to a directory on your computer. Then step 2, installation in Lazarus IDE. Open Lazarus IDE. We go to Package in the Lazarus menu. We select Open Package File, LPK. By the way, here let's show it, we select here Open Package and we open from the unzipped directory. This file, compile and install. After opening the LPK file we will see information about the package and some of its compile and install options start up. Here click Compile, to compile the package. After compiling, click Install and then Restart. Lazarus IDE to install the components correctly. After successfully installing the components from the package, they should appear in your component palette here, and you should now have the following components under the name and THtml viewer / TFRME viewer, or TFRME viewer. We'll make an example so you can see how these components are used, but that's really for the second part of the tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. Best regards.